toys. We have toys. We're gonna open up some toys. Playing with sharp objects right now. Let's see if we can draw some blood. Yeah. Yeah. Of course,
it's really packed well.
I've been waiting for this for months. It's from Skywing. And oh yeah. Let's see. Will it be as big as Asan's head like last year? Oh my God! How the heck do you open this? Huh?
Is that packed like a brick shithouse, man?
There's something going on here.
You need.
How the heck?
You need help?
This. I gotta get a different knife. Yeah, something sharp. Shit.
Okay.
Christian, say hi.
No, I didn't realize I needed tools.
Say hi. Christian, say hi.
Hello.
Okay, well, let's see this. Yeah, really.
Hey, is this cool?
What's that? Is that a knife?
It is a knife.
Let's use that. Let's use a sharp object. Thank you. That.
That's not a knife. This is a knife.
Yeah, that's a knife. That's a knife, yeah.
Good enough?
I think it's going to be. Wow, a lot of honeybees were killed doing this.
Yeah.
So much honeycomb.
Well, at least it'll never get damaged in transit. That's for sure.
That's for sure. Wow.
You think it's a cow?
Cow?
Like the movie 7?
There.
Wowza. Talk
What
about
is
packing,
this?
man.
Yeah, I was right.
Water skis. Oh, look at that. It's
Confetti.
got all kinds of shit.
Wowza.
Wowza, right. Oh, man.
What is that? Oh, it's the cow.
I said
Yeah,
that.
it's a can of pee. It's a cow ring. Yeah.
That's crazy.
I know,
Look at
someone
this.
overused some of these shit things, but this is always good to keep. Now let's see what this looks like. What do you think? Should we just tear into it?
Absolutely.
All right. There's stuff in it, so we can't just stab it.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty.
Oh, very nice.
Look at that. Again, there's stuff in here.
Confetti.
Wow, my wheel pants. That's right. Can't go anywhere without pants, right? You'd get arrested. Apparently. That's almost sexy. Wow. So what do you think?
Looks like a cowl.
Try it on.
I'm not sure it fits. Yeah.
Yeah,
My
fits.
head's too big for that.
That's, look at that. That's pretty good quality. Now we just got to clean some of this stuff up.
It's a nice paint finish on it, that's for sure.
It is. It's quite sexy, actually. All right. Now let's. Which box should we open next? The little one or the big one?
Little one.
Okay.
And the finale should be the big one.
Oh, really? Okay, so we'll open up the lid. Where's that knife?
Obviously, this is wings, right?
Yeah, the thing is, the packaging.
You think it's wings?
Wings, yeah.
Oh, for sure it's wings.
Yeah, what else could it be?
Yeah.
You just don't want to slice it apart, you know? Speaking of wings, there's wings. Wow. I did, but it's unique here. Yeah, that's all.
He certainly packed the shit out of everything, eh?
That's
Yeah.
actually a good thing.
No, it's not a bad thing at all.
You don't want that airplane crack.
Absolutely. Damage is not a good thing.
Yeah. Let me just slice this apart here. It's certainly packed better than the light model we bought last year.
Tom is not patient anymore. He's asking go get their proper knife.
I am. Hey Tom, this is a proper knife. I think it's carved many people.
You're sweating already.
Well, it's kind of tough, you know. Hey, wow. Wow. How the heck? Hey, Christian, I'm gonna ask you to hold down that box while I weather.
Oh,
Look at that. Holy
Nice.
moly. Yeah. Tom. Now let's take a look at one of these. Oh, look at that. It's got winglets. Winglets and wingtips. Let's take one out of the box. Wow, it's carbon fiber. You know, with one of these I can fly like someone I know who flew into themselves today.
Kristen, did you do that? Flying at yourself today again?
Oh no. What is it? No.
What do you mean?
Okay, that's way too much bling for you. Too much.
It is blingy.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Very good.
Wow, look at that.
The finish is amazing on that.
It's
Dang.
carbon fiber. It's got the lines for the servos, so you can pull your servos through.
Beauty.
And look, you got thingies.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thingies.
Metal posts too.
Oh, wow. That's a beauty.
Look how pretty that is.
Skywing.
Look at the wingtip.
Yeah, it's got winglets here.
Yeah, and it's got thumb screw things.
Yeah,
Wow, that's a really nice, very nice.
that is nice. Wow. Look, not a wrinkle. Wait till it gets to the sun though. Yeah, that's very sexy. Very, very sexy.
That's good looking.
Just like the pilot.
Yeah.
Same. And
You say so.
pre-hinged. Oh, look at that. They sealed the hinge too. All
Interesting.
the hinges are sealed.
From the bottom?
Bottom and top.
Nice.
Look at that.
Wow.
Come
Wow.
take a close look there. You'll see the hinge tape there.
Oh, that's covering even.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they covered it.
Holy cow.
That's
And
what
then
he's saying.
on
It's
the
just
other
sealed.
side.
They went all out.
Yeah, and look at the throws. That's
What is
Oh.
Bell throws on that?
Wow.
That's a good
50
60.
degrees.
Yeah.
55.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like.
Yeah.
Actually, probably the best max throw you should use on these is like 40, 42.
Yeah.
All right.
Just follow.
Nice.
Yes.
How are you gonna take it home though?
Like this. And
You gonna repack it?
no, just gonna put this here for now. And because we have the big box.
Mm-hmm.
The big box.
Ooh,
Yeah.
So you need help on the...
Yes, please. La grande boxy. Man.
well, I'll get this out of the way.
All right. Now, we got to figure out. Actually, why don't we do this smartly? This time I'm going to remove the tape. Yeah, all right.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. And then I'll slice into. Nice thing is I'm wearing a bulletproof vest. That way when I stab myself with a knife, it's the knife's.
Look at the tiger mount. Tiger mount.
Yeah.
He got some newer stuff here, right?
Yeah, he does. Yeah.
Yeah, you see, it's not so easy, huh?
But you should see my
Don't really
Mustang. You should see my Mustang, the one we got from that.
All ready to go?
Yeah.
Nice. I can't wait to see it. It's going to be awesome.
Just maybe run the engine again on the ground to see what's going on.
Yeah.
Then ready to take off.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Maybe we do that in 400.
Sure.
The base, I see.
Nice quiet day.
Yeah.
Nobody around. Sure. So what did Sai say when you called him? Sai. His name's Sai.
Oh,
TSA.
nothing. He asked me to fill up the form, and then send them back to me with the check, of course.
He's an emergency room doctor. Eh?
Yeah.
He's a really nice guy. I
Really?
like joking around. Oh yeah, he's my favorite guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He fly too?
Oh yeah,
Oh.
he flies huge, 42%.
Look at this. Wing bags.
Oh, nice. You
Right.
get free wing bags?
Elevator, rudder,
How
something
about
bags.
that? Do you get wing bags as well?
Yep.
Yeah.
And we don't need to remove that. Let's just take a look at it. Here's wing bags. Look at
Nice.
that.
Let me get another
You know
view.
what? I'll put the wings in the bags. Take them home like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. And it's 2 wings. It's like 2 girls, 1 cup.
I don't know what you're talking about.
that on video?
Yeah, he said
Wings,
that.
one-
He just said that.
Whatever do you mean, Joe?
2 wings, 1 bag. And it's got. No, I've never
I'm
seen the
familiar
movie.
with what you speak of.
Yes. Okay, we'll just put the wing bag there.
Did you know you were getting wing bags with the airplane?
I had an inkling of an idea. But it's always nice when it comes true.
Absolutely.
Right? Oh, the rooter. Rooter. Ah. Das ist ein Big Rudder, ja? Huh? Das ist ein Rudderbag. You don't need no stinking rudder. Who needs rudder?
Let's see the fuselage.
Ooh. Ooh, look at that. The elevator. How the heck is this?
Take that cardboard home when you do it.
What's that?
Make sure you take the cardboard home when you do it.
Yeah, right. Sure. I'll do that right away. You know, that's pretty. They vacuum packed this sealed frickin'. They actually. No, they didn't.
Look at the horizontal stab that this flavor.
Yeah, they sealed it. Look at that.
Wow.
Bags are sealed. Where's that knife? Where's that knife?
Right there.
Oh, that's not a knife. That's a knife. From our friends down south, Crocodile Dundee. Cheap. It's free.
Look at the size of that's insane.
Look at. Come take a look. Look at this.
Wow.
That's
Very professional.
very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, look at close up.
I cannot get closer.
And
I go into it.
again, hinges are sealed on both sides.
That's awesome.
And look at the throw.
Holy.
That's like 65,
That's air
60
brake.
degrees.
That's air brake.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
All right. Now the fun part.
Very good quality.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not one blemish on this job.
No, it's not. It's amazing actually. The package,
Did a beautiful job.
package quality.
Wow. I mean, I would have expected you'd have to use the iron at some small segment, but no, it's perfect.
Yeah. It's beautiful. And let me just put this back in the bag. So that's a wing bag. Okay, this one here, tail bag. We'll just put that on top of this.
Where's the tail bag?
Right here.
Oh, nice. Very nice. There you go. Beauty. Look at that.
Yeah.
They didn't skimp on anything.
No, it's fantastic.
Wow. Huh. That's amazing.
Got the Velcro right there. And look,
It's
Dude.
it's my Louis Vuitton.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Ooh. know, the new Skywing planes are kind of neat because they come with all sorts of neat little details. Like, I'll show you later. With the, even with the axles, you don't need any collars. They're nut, you put a nut on it.
Nutless axles?
Nutless. Nutless.
Perfect.
Knotless.
Keep yourself out of trouble.
We'll do this. Slice. 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 And slice. Just like that. Alright. Now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Let's. Someone take the box down. Okay, you want me to push it that way?
Go ahead.
There's the accessory package there still. That's cool. The coffin is down. All right. Look at this. Oh man. Wow. You guys should see this in person. It's quite amazing. Certainly use a lot of made in China tape. Because guess what? It's made in China. Just saying.
I was gonna guess. Mine won't be that nice.
Oh, yours will be even nicer.
No.
Oh yeah.
Did you get the ARS?
Oh, you got the ARS military edition. So it's like, yeah. Carbon fiber, baby.
Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, that's awesome. That's great.
Wow, that's. Not one single blemish. It's quite amazing. I'm actually afraid using the knife on this because we get pretty close to the covering. So
So what's the manufacturer of these ones, Joe?
Skywing.
Skywing.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's beautiful. And look, it's Arden, the world famous Arden Zhang.
Wow.
Yes, he too was made in China.
What a surprise!
Joe said Arden.
Yeah.
Did you see that made in China?
Wow.
That's beautiful.
Oh, look at this.
Very nice.
That's a beauty.
I can still smell the new car smell on it, man.
Yes. Okay. And comes with thumb screws. Let's take a look inside. What do you think? Should we do some 3D looking inside?
Sure.
You have to see the internal blade for sure.
Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, here we go. Drum roll, drum roll. Ta-da! Boom, boom, boom. Wow. Foam tunnel. Isn't that cool? They're saving on weight. You know what I found interesting? Yeah, feel how light this thing is.
Wow.
Yeah.
I thought you don't want to be in the video.
Yeah, he's in the video.
No, he stopped filming for me.
Yeah.
He doesn't want me to break his camera.
So now it's like, wow. Now to assemble this bad boy. It will be awesome.
6 months later.
No. 2 weeks.
I know, I'm just kidding.
2 weeks. And look, it's got already the 90-degree bevels that's glued on. What's that?
What's that?
A direct servo
Yeah.
on the tail.
Yeah.
It's drilled already for a DA or a DLE, so I don't even have to drill it.
Huh.
It's drilled.
drilled it already?
Yeah, already done.
Is there any firewall offset?
Yeah, firewall offset already done.
Holy shit! So the firewall's installed and everything.
Everything.
God.
And you can see the 3-degree offset looks
Yeah.
like.
That's really prefab, man. That's awesome.
Look at this. Get this. It says right here,
Yeah.
drilled for
Yeah.
GP123, DA120.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I better go buy my server.
What is this?
Was that an ID10T error right there? Just now?
Yeah, it is. Totally. And this is already pre-cut. It's ready for my pilot. You know.
Oh, now that looks good. That looks really good. Wow, that's phenomenal.
There's an instrument cluster.
Yep.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
So it's more than just a cluster F.
Look at underneath the construction they used underneath.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey? Very nice. They thought of everything to make it light.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I think we'll be flying this one a lot.
That's terrific, man. Wow. Very
When?
impressive.
Inauguration.
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
These guys
I'll
knocked
see
it
you.
Out of the park, eh?
Yeah,
Big
it's
time.
amazing.
Yep.
The quality. Yeah. All right, so that's where we're at. Arden's. I'll probably pick it up tomorrow. I'll leave it here tonight. We'll see you guys later.